Yo, what is up, y'all? Going back to the continuation of the stream earlier. I wasn't able to continue because I've been sleeping the whole day. You know, chilling out since yesterday. Just watching some YouTube videos and stuff. You know, because it's my day off or holiday off. But yeah, today or maybe today or tomorrow will be a moving day, so we're going to actually move in to a different place. So we're actually preparing to move out. As of this moment, I'm not quite sure on what will be the time that we'll be moving out, but you know, we'll just continue the business same as usual. And I'm going to have work for today until the 31st. Yeah. So we will be celebrating New Year at the office at the time because we're pretty busy. But going back to the current development of React JS ARtPoint solution platform for the front end, we're just going to continue where we left off. Um, let's check. Dev branch. We haven't pushed yet. So git push. I'm not going to make a pull request yet. We actually need to properly implement the front end before we're going to make an update on the server, because as of this moment we're still using the old front end, which is the one that I developed as a temporary front end. But since this isn't good enough, I'm going to try and create a different one with this. So this has actually already been written in React. So we've based the code base is actually from the devlog side project that I did just to practice the React.js. So I think we're not going to need this any longer, and we can just proceed with this. Is the back end, so the back end stuff is using Node.js and Express and some other stuff. The Vue.js or It's just actually a view templating engine still on the back end. We're going to remove the front end on the back end maybe an upcoming dev stream, but as of this moment we're going to focus on the front end, and after that we're going to dive into the creation of all of the REST API that we're going to need. At the same time, making sure that everything is authenticated before they can successfully make a query or pull out any data from the database. So let's do we still have that? Okay, we still have these. Read the front end using React.js. Well, you know what? Since we're using since we're using the React, since we do have markdown readme on the front end, let's just add the things that we need to do. I actually kind of forgot the correct syntax for markdown language. Okay, so here we go. So redo the front end using React.js. We actually need to create a fading navbar. What else do I need to do? Fading navbar. A component for the content. Content component for the products. What will be a good design for the product? I think we've based the design kind of like this. React.js product list design. You know, so at least we have something to base the design on, since I'm not really that good in designing stuff visually. I'm actually out at that part. Yeah, we can definitely do something like this, the usual stuff. So I'm actually going to base that on the previous one, the R point. Okay, can do that. Content component. Product component. The about. Was that about a contact? Actually need to redo the nav bar so that we can be able to fit home, product, services, about, contact, and my account. We actually tried that yesterday, but it didn't work. I really can't remember on how I set up the nav bar, but since we do have the code here, at least we can at least figure that out maybe later. So I'm not really sure on why we actually need to have another framework for the front end. What would be the advantage of using React.js compared to the simple stack? If there's any viewers out there, you can just comment in, you know, provide some insights. Redo the nav bar. I think that's the front end for now. We can do is login, register. Login. What else? Services, about job posting. The job posting. Facts. Facts. About us. We can definitely replace the contact tab or page with just about us, and then if they want to contact us, we can just pop up a model or model pop up so that we can lessen the things that we need to do. So there's the things that we need to do right now. After that, the dashboard or client dashboard. Client dashboard. I think that's it for now. For the CMS, we need to and then later on we can definitely automate the deployment process. Well, so the thing is, let's say we do have a product that a client needs to access. Okay. No, I think we can do that. Redo the dashboard. I think this is for the user. Redo the back end. For this, we can specifically state that we need to create REST APIs for process creating database. What else? Secure API with JWT. Or what we can do is just to create environmental variable as a key whenever the front end tries to access any record or data from the back end, and after that, after the authentication process, maybe we can just authenticate who would be the user, or something like that. JWT is one way to go. We can save that. Check the status. Do task. So as of that time, of course, the front was way off in the northwest. Now, however, moving into the central part of the nation with this is for the front end only. Up in the dev branch. Let's see. Okay, so here's the to-do. Maybe we can move this for now at the top. We're not actually going to use the master for this. Here's the current branch that we're in. Right, okay. Branch is development branch. We'll not allowed to use master. We can only check out with production and merge the dev to it and then push. So we can do pull request with the master, and then the live server can just create a pull request to update the code base running on the server. So that makes the life of the developer a little bit easier, at the same time a little bit organized. So there's that. to create a fading nav bar. We actually found a solution for that yesterday. Let me check. I think this would be an issue. Due to the fact that whenever we're going to scroll down, it would literally re-render everything, so that would be a performance issue. Display nav bar on scroll down with React. Is that a cat? Yeah, I think the cat, is having a Netflix and chill situation. Okay, position fix, height with color. So the function that we're going to handle that. Okay, the set visible. So basically this component right here is created so that whenever you scroll lesser than the set position, it would automatically display the faded scroll, just like this. Or did I get that correctly? How to make a sticky nav bar that hides on scroll. Well, this is actually okay. So the sample for this code is the current website, which shows that whenever we scroll down, it will hide the nav bar, and whenever we scroll up, it would show the nav bar. We can definitely do that, but would that be a good idea? Because what I want to do is to create a transparent nav bar, and whenever we scroll down, that nav bar should, you know, have at least a transparent black kind of nav bar. What we can do is to get the so we are actually using the button. Because we actually imported the component to that, but we're not actually using it. Huh. Let's try to use that. Let's try to import that. Import button from components button. Am I given a warning due to the fact that I tried to use button? Yo. Seriously? I'm going to use that, alright. Just hang on. Come on. try to use this. Let's see what we got. I can't remember if I really did use the button component ever, but I think not. I think I haven't used the button component yet. So that's the button. Start to use that on project. Yeah, for fuck's sake. Because I haven't imported it yet. Okay. Let's import that. Button. From right. Okay, I get it. I get it. I get it. Fine. Fine. Okay. Let's try to put that button. So that is the design of that button. What the fuck? You really need to redo that. But I'm not really sure on why I created that specific button. I'm thinking that the default one is okay, but so these are the different outline. Maybe we can try to use bottom primary and see. Nah. It's just let's just create the content. And content that's CSS. I'm not really sure why, but I'm actually hungry again. I just ate my dinner earlier. Yeah, I'm actually watching Netflix. Here's the here section. To save time, we'll just copy and paste that thing. Oh shit, I'm a little bit sleepy. I can't do this. This is the reason why I haven't done any stream or dev stream or any gameplay stream for a while. I did upgraded my computer, upgraded the RAM, upgraded the power supply, upgraded the GPU in order for me to be able to play games, but due to the fact that I'm constantly, you know, exhausted after work, and you know, I still need to do day trading and swing trading from time to time, and at the same time, you know, do some things that I need to do. I'm always tired, and I just prefer to sleep. To make this easy as possible, we'll just get the necessary things that we need to get from the previous component. So let's try to put that to here section. We can do, or we can import first. Import the content section from content. I think we should get the correct name for that. So that'd be content so this is the result. Yeah, the navbar still need to be worked on. Maybe we can put in well, it's good to have a transparent background, but let's get the color for the hero section. Ox shadow. Yeah. Then it's actually for the content. Right. That's what we're talking about. So basically, there's no visible navbar once the RPoint Solutions navbar is on top. For example, we just loaded the thing, but once we scroll down, there would be a black navbar on top. Let's see what we have if we turn this to mobile view. It's kind of ugly though because it's transparent. To remedy that, what we need to do maybe what we can do it's kind of like this. It's still transparent though. This won't work out at all. Spread. You can just change the box shadow to black, or this. That wouldn't work. Is it possible to put that as a background? Nah. So we really need to actually follow the guide again that was posted. No, what we just read earlier. Yeah. Navbar. Way up here. Scroll down. Change background. Navbar. Yeah. Let's see. The fuck? How am I supposed to scroll this down if it won't scroll? Okay, there we go. So whenever we scroll down, it would be a change in background. I think this would do. So that's how it goes. What we need to do is to add a listener or event listener. Okay, I think we found the solution right here. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Let's get that code. Right. Unexpected token. Nah. What the hell is this? I'm supposed to use that? Oh, come on. So are we supposed to just put that code base right here? But it still doesn't work though. Guess we need to do something like this. Just like that. And replace that with render. Come on. Nowadays there's a lot of ways to write code. There's a lot of shit going on. And I'm not so sure what the fuck am I doing. Sometimes I'm just really annoyed with this stuff. Okay. Oh, there we go. You can put in here is transparent. Is it possible to use the word transparent though? And let's say black. So what we need to get is this. I'm a little bit confused on the implementation of yeah, I think we can't really do much about it. code base would be really funny. I hate what I'm doing. This isn't a good practice. Let's say remove that. Still wouldn't do a thing. So if we're planning to do that kind of thing, we actually need to do it here. And base the code. What we need to do is to create a state. The fuck is your problem? Event listeners. Is there an unscroll? Unscroll event listener. Unscroll, okay. We can create a function based on the code provided. This I'm a little bit sleepy. I think I need to take a break for meantime. Yeah. Well, see you guys later. I'm gonna take a break.